I'm Anastasia from kindearth.net, and today in my kitchen I'm going to show you how to make a really simple, easy and very Moorish recipe. We're going to do Tamari Toasted Seeds. It's very easy to make. You just basically get tamari, you get seeds, toss them together. I'm just going to do a quick demo to show you how easy it is to make this. If you like what you see here, please do give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep up to date with all the latest sharings here. So let's go see how easy this is to make. So in this recipe I'm going to use sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds. You really don't need to measure them, depends how big your tray is. And I'm going to use tamari or shoyu. If you're on a gluten-free diet, just use gluten-free shoyu or gluten-free tamari. It's basically like a nice fermented soy sauce. It's so simple and so effective. So no need to weigh your ingredients, just get your tray, and then you want to pour on some seeds, sunflower and pumpkin seeds. I'm going to put a few more. So you want a layer, a nice even layer, about that deep. So it's not very deep at all. You see that? And then what I'm going to do is just get a very light splash of tamari. So you see that you really don't need very much at all. And then I'm going to mix it in with my hands. And I just want to mix it until it's all evenly coated, and then just even it out nicely. And that is it. So I want to put it in the oven. It's probably going to take about 20 minutes in the oven, and then I'm going to turn it like with a spoon, maybe 2-3 times during that cooking process. Once the pumpkin seeds start to pop in the oven, that's when you know that it's hot and needs a little bit of a turn with a spoon. Pumpkin seeds are a good indication of when it is getting nice and ready. And then I'm going to pop it out and then let it cool down, and then it's all done. And there we go. I don't think you could get easier than that, really. This is a delicious plant-based recipe, naturally gluten-free, and it works gorgeous as a sprinkle on salads. It works gorgeous as a sprinkle on soups, or if you just fancy a little snack throughout the day and you want a nice infusion of healthy fats, then this works a treat. And they will last for weeks unless you eat them first, and it's very difficult not to eat them because they are so Moorish and so delicious. So thank you for tuning in. I'm Anastasia from kindearth.net. Please do come visit my website, give this video a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.